Hello children, welcome to Ghar School again. Yes, I am your Horan sir and today we are going to do what? Can anybody tell me? Yes, so today we are going to make a balloon. Yes, I will show you step by step how to make. It's very easy children. Yes, I know everybody like balloons. Yes, I also like balloons. Okay, so let's start the class. Take out your drawing copy and pencil eraser and always try to do lightly. Okay children, are you ready? Yes, so let's start the class. So first what we are going to do children, first we are going to make the oval. This oval we are going to do. It's very easy, I will show you children. Okay, so first here we are going to make the oval. Yes, it's very easy. See children, we have made the oval. Yes, done children. Yes, start the drawing with me. Okay children. Yes, first make the oval children. It's very easy and try to do lightly. Lightly children, take them lightly. Yes, so I hope you have made it children. Yes, so next what we are going to do children? Next we are going to make this small triangle. Okay, this small triangle we are going to do here like this small triangle. Very easy. Yes, so next we are going to make the design. Very simple design I have made here. I will start a line from here slowly till here. Okay, see, I'm going to start a line, one curved line. Yes, see this curved line I have made here, this one. Yes, so next here we are going to make this line, this curved line we are going to do. Yes, done. See children, very simple design I have made. If you want, you can give here your own design. Okay children? Yes. So now we are going to make the track here like this. So our balloon is almost ready children. Okay, now we are going to start a color. Okay, so let's start a color. I will show you in my drawing copy. Bright color we are going to use. Ready children? Okay, let's start. Hello children. So let's start a coloring. Okay, plastic crayons again we are using. Okay children. So what color we are going to use? We can use any color here. First we are going to use the red color. Okay, red color is my favorite color. Ready? So from one side, okay, from one side I am going to start the color slowly. You can use your own color. Red color, I am using red color. You can use violet color, blue color, whatever color you like you can use. See, from one side slowly step by step करना है एकदम slowly. ठीक है children? लाइन से बाहर नहीं जाना चाहिए, एकदम slowly and do not leave white space. I will start new step here. See, step by step करना है. Okay children, slowly करना and direction change नहीं करना है, एकदम slowly in one direction. I have not changed the direction. See children, slowly. Okay, see, from one side you need to do slowly. See children, like this, slowly from one side you need to do. Okay, next what color we are going to use? We are going to use the green color here. Okay, we are going to do the green color. We should not change the direction and we will not leave the white space नहीं छोड़ना है and direction change नहीं करना है, एकदम slowly करना होगा. ekdam slowly from one side, step by step. Our green color is complete. Next, which color? Again red color we are going to use. Okay, so green color is complete. I am going to use the red color again. Okay children, you can use any color. So here again I am going to use the red color. Slowly. First we will make the outline here. Okay children, see, first we will make the outline with the red color. Red color completed, and this portion also we are going to use the red color. See, so one balloon we have completed. Okay, one balloon we have completed, and this line also we are going to use this blue color, this thread. See everyone, this thread we are going to use. ये रस्सी जो है ना उसमें dark blue देना है. See, this thread we are going to use the dark blue color. Okay, so now this balloon, I have made one more balloon here. Here we are going to use the orange color. Okay, so here I am going to use the orange color from one side. You can make 2-3 balloons yourself. Okay, any design you can make, and any color, any design, any color you can do yourself. So I am using the orange color now. Okay, different color you can use, whatever color you like. So this is the orange color we have completed. Okay, orange color done. Orange color done. See, we should not leave white space. See children, and this small circle we are going to use the red color. The small circle we are going to use the red color. See, like this we are going to use the red color. Now what color? Yellow color. Okay, here we are going to use the yellow color. Okay, from one side we are going to use different color I have used. And direction change नहीं करना है children, ठीक है? Do not change the direction. Again and again I am saying, do not change the direction. Okay, children, again we will use the orange color here. So here again we will use the orange color from one side. We will use here also, this small portion also we will use the orange color. Done. Okay, now this thread again we will use the blue color. This thread again we will use the blue color. Done. So we have made 2 balloons. You will try to make 3-4 balloons yourself. Okay children, and this outline I am using red color. For this outline I am using the red color. these lines. I am using red color. Done. Our balloons are ready. Okay children, bye bye.